Right, Emma. So today we're absolutely diving headfirst into something truly transformative for any affiliate marketer, really, and that's A/B testing. It's not just a fancy buzzword, is it? It's about making smarter choices. Getting more bang for your buck.
Oh, for sure, James. I mean, it sounds like a lot of science, right? Like a bit intimidating. But what does it actually mean for us, the affiliates, on a day-to-day? Like, what's the core concept we should be grasping here?
Wow, precisely. It's actually quite straightforward when you boil it down. A/B testing, or split testing as some call it, is simply taking two versions of something, say a landing page, an ad, or even an email subject line, and showing one version to half your audience and the other version to the other half. Then you track which one performs better based on your key metric, which for us is typically conversions. It's like asking your audience directly, which one do you prefer? Which one makes you click and buy? Without, actually asking them. The data just tells you, doesn't it?
Oh, so you're not just guessing anymore. You're getting actual feedback. I like that. It takes the guesswork out of things. But why is it so crucial then? I mean, isn't sending traffic enough? Like, why bother with this extra step?
Because, Emma, sending traffic is just the start, isn't it? It's like filling a bucket with water, but not checking if there's a hole in the bottom. A/B testing helps you patch those holes. It ensures the traffic you are sending actually converts into sales or leads. Even small improvements in your conversion rate can have a massive impact on your bottom line. Absolutely massive.
Okay, so I get the why now. It's about efficiency and like not wasting money, basically. But what can we actually A/B test? Like, what are the bits and bobs of our affiliate campaigns that we should be looking at?
Oh, pretty much anything, honestly. The list is quite extensive, actually. Think about your landing pages first. You can test different headlines, can't you? A catchy one versus a benefit-driven one. Different images or even videos. Your call-to-action buttons, the text on them, the colour, the placement. Click here versus get instant access, for instance, or a bright orange button versus a classic blue. It all makes a difference.
Huh, even the button color? That's pretty granular. I wouldn't have thought that far. What else then, beyond the landing page?
Absolutely. Beyond the landing page, consider your ad copy, different angles, different hooks, even just changing a single word. Email subject lines are huge, aren't they? Open rates can soar just by tweaking those. Product descriptions, testimonials, the overall layout of your review page, and even things like urgency timers versus social proof. You're trying to find what resonates most with your specific audience. It's about understanding their psychology, really. Start with the elements that you suspect have the biggest impact on someone clicking or buying, the low-hanging fruit.
Right. So, like, if I'm promoting a software, I could test a headline focusing on save time versus increase productivity, or maybe a picture of a person using the software versus an abstract icon. That makes a lot of sense. Yeah. It's about getting creative, but also being methodical.
Precisely. Methodical is the word. Now, once you know what you want to test, the next big question is, how do I actually set this up? And thankfully, it's not as complex as it sounds initially.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask. Like, do I need to be a coding wizard, or is there like a simpler way for someone like me who's more on the content side of things?
Not at all, not at all. Thank goodness for modern tools, eh? A lot of website builders, email marketing platforms, and even ad platforms have built-in A/B testing functionalities. Tools like Google Optimize, though it's being phased out soon, but the principles apply to successors or other platforms like VWO, Optimizely, or even just, setting up two different landing pages and splitting traffic manually if you're feeling a bit old school. The main thing is to have a clear hypothesis.
A hypothesis? Like, what do you mean?
You need to state what you think will happen. For example, I believe changing the CTA button from blue to green will increase conversions by 10%. That's your hypothesis. Then you create your control, the original version, and your variation, the one with the green button. You then split your traffic, ideally 50-50, to both versions. Let the test run until you have statistically significant results. Don't rush it. It's really important to collect enough data, otherwise you're just guessing again.
Okay, so hypothesis, control, variation, split traffic, and then patience. That sounds surprisingly manageable. So how long should I typically run a test for? Is it a few hours, a few days?
Well, it really depends on your traffic volume, Emma, but generally you'd want to run it for at least a week, sometimes two, to account for different days of the week traffic patterns. You also need to reach statistical significance, meaning the results aren't just down to pure chance. Most tools will tell you when you've reached that point, thankfully. Don't stop too early.
Right, so we've run the test, we've been patient. Now comes the fun part, I guess, right? Interpreting the results. What am I looking for? Is it just about which one got more clicks?
Not just clicks, Emma, no. You're looking at your primary conversion metric. For affiliates, that's usually sales or leads, isn't it? So if version B had a 5% conversion rate and version A had 3%, and those results are statistically significant, then version B is your winner. You'd then implement version B permanently, But it's not always that clear-cut, I'll be honest with you.
Oh, really? What kind of snags can you hit?
Well, a common pitfall is testing too many variables at once. If you change the headline, the image, and the button color all at the same time, and one performs better, you won't know which change actually caused the improvement, will you? You've got to isolate one variable per test. That's absolutely key. Another one is not running the test long enough or not having enough traffic, which leads to unreliable data, You might think you have a winner, but it's just random noise,
Oh, so small changes, one at a time, and don't jump to conclusions too fast. I can see how that could mess things up if you're not careful. What if neither version performs significantly better? Or what if they both just tank?
Good question. If neither performs significantly better, it simply means your hypothesis wasn't proven. It's not a failure, it's a learning experience. You now know that particular change didn't move the needle, so you can test something else. If both tank, well, that's a clear signal you might be going in the wrong direction entirely and need to rethink your approach, perhaps even looking at your core offer or audience targeting. It all gives you valuable data, you see. No test is truly a waste if you learn something.
So, Emma, you've run a test, you've found a winner. Is that it then? Are you done optimizing? What do you reckon?
Knowing you, James, I'm gonna guess no. It sounds like it's a constant thing, right? You find one winner and then you try to make it even better?
Absolutely spot on. This isn't a one and done scenario, not by a long shot. Optimization is a continuous, iterative process. You find a winner, you implement it, and then you start another test. You might test a different element on that now optimized page, or take the winning element and test it against a completely new idea. It's like compound interest for your conversion rates, isn't it?
Oh, I like that analogy. So, if I found that a green button converts better than a blue one, my next test might be, what if the green button says, yes, I want this, instead of buy now?
Precisely. You're always chasing those marginal gains. Those small incremental improvements stack up over time, and they can lead to significantly higher affiliate commissions. Think about it, a 1% improvement here, a 2% improvement there, suddenly your overall conversion rate has jumped dramatically without needing to double your ad spend. It's about working smarter, not just harder. Plus, what works today might not work tomorrow. Audiences change, trends shift, so you've always got to be testing, always adapting, always learning. It's a never-ending quest for perfection, or at least better performance.
Wow. So it's building a really efficient machine bit by bit. That's actually pretty exciting when you think about it like that. It sounds like the key is just to never stop questioning and testing what you're doing.
You've absolutely nailed it, Emma. Never stop questioning, never stop testing. It's the mindset of a truly successful affiliate marketer, I believe. And the beauty of it is that you don't need to be a massive company to do this. Solo affiliates can and absolutely should be incorporating A/B testing into their strategy. It's accessible, it's powerful, and it pays dividends.
Right. So if there was just one piece of advice you'd give to someone who's never done A/B testing before and they're listening right now, what would it be? Just one quick tip to get them started.
Just one? Oh, that's a tough one. But, okay, start small. Really, truly, just pick one element, something simple like your main landing page headline or a call to action button, and create just one alternative version. Don't overthink it. Don't try to boil the ocean. Just run that first test. Learn from it.
And then you'll build that momentum, won't you? The confidence grows with each successful or even unsuccessful test. Just get started, honestly. The insights you gain are invaluable. It's like having a superpower, you know? The power to consistently improve.
A superpower. I like that. So pick one thing, make one small change, run the test, and just keep learning. That sounds like a really solid, actionable plan. I think I'm actually going to try this out myself this week. Thanks, James. This has been super insightful.
My pleasure, Emma. That's exactly what we want our listeners to do. Go forth and optimize, everyone.